How to change the mouse DPI on macOS. So let's get started. Like on Windows, Macs do not have a numerical DPI option. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen, then a drop-down menu will appear. Now tap on the System Preferences or System Settings according to your Mac version. Now, once you're inside the system settings, all you have to do is look for the mouse and tracking option available there. And if you cannot find it, then you can see the search address bar available in the top. Then tap on it and type down mouse and tracking and tap on the mouse and tracking option available there. Now, once there, all you have to do is tap on the tracking speed. Now, under tracking speed, drag the slider from slow to fast to adjust DPI. So that is how easily you can change DPI of mouse in macOS. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.